Hey there and welcome back to another video on this channel. In today's video I will be showing you step by step how to build your own personal portfolio website using Canva. No coding, no hassle and completely free. So let's get started. First of all, we have to search Canva on our browser, and if you are on your Android or iOS, you should go to your App Store or Google Play Store and then search for Canva and then install their official website. And also, before starting, make sure to check the link in the description box or in the pinned comment. So basically, Canva is a highly underrated tool when it comes to website building. So as you can see, this is Canva's interface. It is perfect for one-page websites or landing pages, which is exactly what most personal portfolios need. No need for multiple tabs or complex designs, just clean, simple and effective. So as usual, head over to Canva, then you have to log in. So you have to answer some basic questions like this, like what will you be using Canva for? So in my case, I'll be using it for my small business, okay? And you have to answer according to your presence, okay? And if you want, you can tap on to skip, and then you can skip all this information and directly got into the Canva. So make sure to log into Canva. It is completely free to log into Canva and create an account. Also, Canva has a premium version of it, but don't worry, all the things I'm gonna do today and show you is completely free. So as you can see, I am head over to the Canva. Now in the search bar, search for website. So after clicking choose a website, then here you can see a tons of pre-made templates for websites. And here you can see this little crown icon on many of the templates. These are the basically the premium ones. To use them, you have to buy Canva Pro account, then you can use them. So you can click on blank website, or you can use the pre-made templates to create your website. So you can do it, but I'm going to choose this headphone portfolio in order to show you completely. So first of all, you have to choose a template if you want, then otherwise you can tap on to create a blank website and then you can create. So I'm gonna just tap onto it, and then I'm gonna tap on to customize this template. So let's tap onto this, and there you go. Canva has opened the portfolio or website portfolio, and now we can edit it according to our wish. Anyhow, let's get started. So first, let's choose to edit the text. For example, you want to edit this text, then you have to choose the text first. Then here you can see this is the color option, this is the bold option, and this is italic, and this one is underline option. If you choose them, then there will be an underline after your text. And let's say you want to increase or decrease the size of your text, so you can do it from here. And also, if you want to change the font of your text, then you can simply click on here by choosing the text, tap onto here, and then you can choose fonts which you wish to edit. So as you can see, there's a plenty of fonts. If we scroll down, then there you go, you can see these fonts here. These ones are the premium one. To use them, you must have Canva premium account, but don't worry, there's a lot of free fonts, and I'm pretty much sure that you will like them. For example, I'm gonna choose this one. This one is pretty nice. Okay, let's keep it like that. Now let's say you want to change this image here, then you have to choose the image. If you want, you can delete the image, and also if you want, you can detach image from the frame. So let me delete the whole frame and image together so that I can show you perfectly that how to edit and add an image perfectly, okay? Let me delete that too. So first of all, you have to head over to elements right here, tap onto elements, and then search for frames which you wish to to add. For example, I'm gonna search for square frames, okay? As you can see, this one. So let's tap onto it, and there you go, there's the frame. Now let's say you want to add your images from your files. Then you have to go to this option, the upload one, the fifth option here, tap onto it, and then you have to choose upload files. Then you have to tap on the upload files and choose your picture, the one you want to add to your template. So for example, as you can see, this template is here, I mean this picture is here. Now let's add it to your portfolio website. So as you can see, this is how you can edit them. Now let's say you want to change the background color of your portfolio, then you can choose it here from here. Okay, so let's say black one is not that nice. Let's choose any other color. Okay, this one is pretty nice. Okay, and that might be perfect. And as you can see, this is how you can edit most of your templates. Also, you can use these tools to draw or something, or add text box like this here, but I don't want to add this, so I'm gonna delete this. And from apps, you can add some apps, like you can add AI voice charts. You can create AI generated pics from here also if you want. By clicking onto Magic Media, you can generate AI pics for your portfolios also, which is also non-copyright, I mean copyright free. So that is pretty much it. And let's say you want to add another page instead of this scrolling site, then you have to tap on this plus icon which is called add page. Simply tap onto it, and there you go, the page is created. Now let's start customizing it according to your needs. You can use elements from here, and yeah, this element is not for just adding frames. You can also search for various type of effects. So I'm gonna choose something like thunderstorm. Then there you go, here is some images. Also you can add graphics if you want to. For example, like this one, you can add them right here. So this is very simple to use app. And now let's say you want to publish your website to, I mean publish your website portfolio to your official website. So first of all, let's move to the option at the top right corner here, share. Tap onto it, and from there you can see this option. Absolutely, this one is website. Tap onto it, and after clicking on this, here you can see this text called website URL. You just have to enter your website URL, then you have to copy and paste your website URL, and then tap onto publish, and there you go, your website portfolio will be public now, and that will be published. So this is how you can make a personal portfolio using Canva and then upload it to your website, which is absolutely for free. And that was it. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more, and comment down below that what you want to see the next video. Till then, take care, goodbye, see you in the next video.